Ready to train your brain? It's time for a number patterns quiz. Can you spot the pattern before the timer runs out? Let's begin. Question 1. 10, 20, 40, 80, and... The answer is C, 160. Multiplying by 2 each time. Question 2. 99, 88, 77, 66, and... The answer is B, 55. Subtracting 11 each time. Question 3. 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 10. The answer is 12. The pattern alternates by plus 2, then minus 1. Question 4. 1, 4, 2, 8, 4, 16, and... The answer is C, 32. Doubles every other number. Question 5. 1, 2, 6, 24, and... The answer is C, 120. It's factorials. 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 2 times 3, and 6 times 4. Question 6. 100, 75, 50, 25, and... The answer is B, 0. Subtract 25 each time. Question 7. 13, 17, 19, 23, and... The answer is C, 29. Sequence of prime numbers. Question 8. 1, 5, 14, 30, and... The answer is A, 55. Perfect squares. Question 9. 3, 9, 27, and... The answer is C, 81. Multiplying by 3. Final question. 2, 6, 18, 54. The answer is B, 162. Multiplying by 3 each time. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain-boosting fun.